This is how to make a cross out of your palm from Palm Sunday. So you fold it in down on top of itself about the length of your cross, and you want it to be maybe about 3 inches long, and then squish it right there. And then on the back, we're going to take and turn it at an angle like this, so that this next piece comes off perpendicular to the main stem of the cross. And we're going to again push it down with our fingers, press it down really good, and then we're going to fold this over on the front of the cross, and again press that down. And then we're going to pull this on the back and press this down. And then again on the back, we're going to turn this at that funny angle so that we can get this over here. And then we're going to fold it across the front and again press it down. And we're going to fold this across the back on the bottom. So you see it's on the bottom of the cross. And we're going to squeeze that right there. And then we're going to fold this piece across the front. And now we have it. It's looking like this. Again, each time squeezing. And then we're going to fold this around the back and down again. Squeeze the top. And then this part right here, we're going to pick up and we're going to thread right through the face of the cross. And this is the finishing piece, and we'll grab that out and pull that tight and then press it down, and voila, we have a finished cross, just like this. I hope you enjoy it. Come visit us at St. John's Episcopal Church.